Today we are working on Jasper Active Lesson 4, the 7th and final lesson of Word Expert, finishing the merge. So we've been working on mail merge, so this is the document that you should have opened up, and the first step says to examine the first investment letter document. Notice that the letter includes an address block field right here, which means that Word will recognize it as a main document for a merge operation. So click the Mailings tab, and in the Start Mail Merge group, click Select Recipients, then click Use an Existing List, navigate to the Resources folder that you've been using for Jasper Active, and then double click Investment Client List. We can mark that as answered and go to the second thing. On the Mailings tab in the Preview Results group, click Preview Results. You should see Mrs. Sandra Corbett, 515 Finland Way, Seattle, USA. Dear Sandra. Notice the address format for the letter. While the address format is correct, there is too much space between the address lines. Instead of using the address block code, you may want to insert individual merge fields instead to give you greater control over the format used for the address. Click Preview Results again to turn this feature off. Return to the merge codes display. Select the address block code and press Delete. So select that code, hit Delete. In the Write and Insert Fields group, click the Insert Merge Field arrow. These are the data fields defined in the recipient list. Click First Name. Press the space bar. Then click the Insert Field, Merge Field once more. Click Last Name. Then press Shift Enter. Shift Enter. I think I was Shift Enter. And that's going to wrap the text on the next line. Insert the rest of the fields as shown here. We have displayed formatting marks for reference. So make sure you're right here before Dear First Name. So we want to insert merge field and do address 1. Shift Enter. We want city. We need to press a comma and then space, State Providence, space, the zip code, and then Shift Enter, and then we want the country, Shift Enter. Okay, mark this as answered. So we have city with a comma, state, province, space, zip, coastal code. Hopefully that's right. Go to the fourth thing. In the salutation line, the line that reads Dear First Name, right here, right-click the first name, and then we're going to click Edit Field. That's going to open this dialog box. In the Field Properties section, click Uppercase in the Format List box. You're specifying that values in this instance of the first name field will display in uppercase letters in the merged document. Click OK. Click Preview Results. Should be Sandra Corbett, and you see Finland Way, Seattle, comma, Washington, the zip code, USA, and then Dear Sandra, and her name is capitalized. Mark that as answered. Go to the fifth thing. On the Mailings tab, in the Preview Results group, click Check for Errors. Check for errors. Ensure that the Complete the Merge, pausing to report each error as it occurs. Make sure that that box is selected and then click OK. Word takes a few moments to check your documents to ensure there are no errors and generates the finished merged document named Letters 1, which contains 7 letters. Let me move this over. And you can see and you can scroll, and it says down here page 1 of 7, so we have 7 letters. Save the merged letters as investment letters merged to your My Projects folder. So let's click File, Save As, go to your My Projects folder, make sure you're in your My Projects, and investment letters. Investment letters merge to My Projects, and then click Save. Press Control W to close the original investment letter document. Do not save the changes. So let's mark this as answered and go next. Open the business card form in the resources folder. So let's click File, Open, go to your resources, business card form. On the Mailings tab in the Start Mail Merge group, click Select Recipients. So Mailings, select recipients, use an existing list, and we're going to go to our Jasper Active Resource files, and we want the Talano personnel. Double click that. Because this workbook contains 2 worksheets, you must specify which one contains the data you want to use. Ensure that the TA personnel sheet is selected. You have a TA and a TE. Make sure that the TA is selected, and then click OK. You can mark this as answered. Go to step 7. Select name in the first label. And in the right Insert Fields group, click Insert, Merge Field, arrow, and click First Name. Press Spacebar, insert Last Name. If necessary, press Enter to move the position text back to its own line. So I need to do that. So I have first name and last name. Replace the position, office, and email placeholders with their corresponding data fields as shown in the following. So click right here. So I'm going to highlight position, and I'm going to go up here to this Insert Merge field, and I'm going to select position. I'm going to press Enter to get the office back down there, and select this Insert Merge field, office. Press Enter, and highlight this, and Insert Merge field in email. Let me undo this. Email it So I just need to highlight, don't highlight everything, just highlight the email. If you double click email, that'll work, and change that to email. So it should still say that. So ours looks correct. Click update labels. Update labels right here. And then click preview results. And you see that it's looking good. Select the first and last name fields in the first label. Increase the font size to 18. Go to the Home tab, 18. On the Mailings tab, in the Write and Insert fields, click Update Labels. You can see that everybody's name's updated to 18-point font. Mark that as answered. In the Finish group, click Finish and Merge. Here's your Finish group. Click Finish and Merge, and click Edit Individual Documents. Ensure that all is selected, and then click OK to merge all the records. Mark this as answered and submit, and hopefully we will have 8 green check marks. Look at there, 8 green check marks. Everything's correct. So if you did everything correctly, congratulations, you have now finished Word Expert. So you can click Return to Jasper Active, and I will tell you what to do next. So this completes the lesson, finishing the merge.